So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in net space user space administrator space / active colon yes. Click on enter. This will also be down below in the description. You can just copy and paste it. If that did not work for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in change user account control settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to set this to never notify, and then click on OK, and then click on yes. And then you just want to restart your computer. And then once you're back in Windows, you just want to run the command, see if that works for you. And then once you've done that, you just want to head over to search again and type in change user account control settings. Click on it. Now once we're here, you want to set this back to the default option, which is the second one right here. And then click on OK. And then you should be good to go.